Which type of baseball hitter is best, ground ball or fly ball? Imagine watching a game and wondering which kind of hitter makes the biggest impact at the plate. Is it the one who hits lots of ground balls or the one who lifts the ball into the air? Well, let's break down what the numbers say about ground outs and fly outs, and how they fit into traditional batting stats and foundational metrics. First, a quick refresher. A ground ball is when the ball hits the ground and rolls or bounces before being caught or fielded. A fly ball is hit high into the air, either caught or landing in the outfield. The ratio of ground balls to fly balls, called the ground ball to fly ball ratio, helps us understand a hitter's style. Power hitters tend to hit more fly balls, aiming for home runs and extra base hits. Contact hitters often produce more ground balls, focusing on putting the ball in play and avoiding strikeouts. Looking at the data, fly balls generally produce more runs per out than ground balls. For example, fly balls generate about 0.13 runs per out, while ground balls only produce around 0.5 runs per out. That means fly balls are more than twice as effective at creating runs. Line drives, which are hit at a moderate angle, are even more productive, with over 1.26 runs per out, but they are less common than fly balls or ground balls. Fly ball hitters tend to have higher slugging percentages and hit more home runs because their balls are more likely to clear the outfield or drop for doubles and triples. Power hitters often have fly ball rates around 40%, while contact hitters may have ground ball rates above 50%. This shows a strategic difference. Power hitters lift the ball to maximize extra base hits, while contact hitters aim to put the ball in play and avoid strikeouts. Advanced stats confirm that pulled fly balls, hit into the pull side, often have batting averages over 0.5 for 0 and slugging percentages above 1.2. These hits contribute heavily to home runs and overall offensive value. On the other hand, ground balls rarely lead to extra base hits and tend to have lower batting averages on balls in play. Ground balls do have their place. Players with speed and good contact skills can turn grounders into infield hits or find holes in the infield. In situations where advancing runners is important, ground balls can be useful. Some pitchers specialize in inducing ground balls to limit extra base hits and home runs, making ground outs a strategic tool for teams. In summary, based on past and present baseball stats, fly ball hitters generally produce better offensive results. They generate more runs, hit more home runs, and have higher slugging percentages. Ground ball hitters may enjoy higher batting averages on balls in play if they have speed, but they tend to lack the power numbers that make fly ball hitters more valuable overall. So, if you're looking for a hitter who can drive in runs and hit for power, a fly ball hitter usually comes out ahead. Of course, the best players often have a mix, with line drives being the sweet spot for consistent batting averages. But for overall offensive impact, especially in today's game that emphasizes power and home runs, fly ball hitters tend to be more effective than ground ball hitters.